Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. How to avoid foreclosure. Avoiding foreclosure can be challenging, but there are several steps you can take to help prevent it if you're facing financial difficulties and struggling to make your mortgage payments. Here are some strategies to consider. Contact your lender early. As soon as you realize you might have trouble making your mortgage payments, contact your lender. Early communication is crucial. Explain your situation and ask about possible options for temporary relief. Loan modification. In some cases, lenders may be willing to modify the terms of your mortgage to make it more affordable. This could involve extending the loan term, reducing the interest rate, or adding missed payments to the end of the loan. Be prepared to provide financial documentation to support your request. Forbearance. Some lenders offer forbearance, which allows you to temporarily pause or reduce your mortgage payments due to financial hardship. Be sure to understand the terms of the forbearance agreement, including how and when you'll need to repay the missed payments. Refinance. If your credit is still relatively good, you might be able to refinance your mortgage to secure a lower interest rate and more favorable terms. This can reduce your monthly payments. Sell your home. If it's becoming impossible to keep up with your mortgage payments, consider selling your home before foreclosure becomes a reality. You can use the proceeds from the sale to pay off your mortgage and avoid the foreclosure process. Government assistance programs. Investigate government programs designed to help homeowners facing foreclosure, such as the Home Affordable Modification Program, HAMP, or the Home Affordable Refinance Program, HARP. These programs can offer assistance in certain situations. Legal counsel. Consult with a housing counselor or attorney who specializes in foreclosure prevention. They can help you understand your rights, negotiate with your lender, and explore legal options to avoid foreclosure. Cut expenses and increase income. Review your budget to identify areas where you can cut expenses and redirect funds toward your mortgage. Additionally, explore ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job or freelancing. Consider a short sale. If you owe more on your mortgage than your home is worth and are unable to make payments, you might consider a short sale. This involves selling your home for less than the outstanding mortgage balance with the lender's approval. Bankruptcy as a last resort. Filing for bankruptcy, specifically Chapter 13, can help stop foreclosure proceedings and create a structured plan to repay your debts over time. However, bankruptcy should only be considered as a last resort, as it has significant long-term financial consequences. It's crucial to act quickly and be proactive when facing the possibility of foreclosure. Ignoring the problem or delaying action can make it more difficult to find a solution. Additionally, maintaining open and honest communication with your lender is essential throughout the process. Seek assistance from housing counselors or legal professionals if you're unsure about the best course of action for your specific situation. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.